Hello everyone. I am privileged to be on Ma'am's channel. My huge pranam to my dear universe, God Almighty, and my most loved mentor in my twin flame journey from my heart and soul, Angel Ma'am. I am privileged that universe connected me to Angel Ma'am in end October 2020. I started watching her videos, which inspired me to learn more about twin flames after Ma'am confirmed that I am in twin flame journey. Fortunately for me, Ma'am started with her personally energized inner work sessions from November 2020. I started taking her sessions one after the other. Om chanting, chakra balancing, meditations, spending time in nature, walking barefoot in my house, working on my own self, focusing on my growth and stability greatly transformed me to become a better individual and grounded me and balanced me a lot. I wish to share my most beautiful experience on my birthday. Some great learnings happened to me on this day. I called up my DM on ninth evening as it was my birthday. He picked up and disconnected my call. I didn't get hurt or disheartened. No negativity or overthinking. I stayed very positive. I thought it's a test from universe. Universe was testing whether I am balanced or not. So I waited patiently without getting affected. After a while, my phone rang, but it was a call from my boss from UK and not my DM. I had to take his call. As as I was talking to my boss, my DM's call started coming too. On one call was my boss, and on the other was my DM, who was calling me up after 10 years of no contact. I was in bit of dilemma. I quickly put my boss on hold and I took my DM's call. I told my DM that I will call him up as I was on the other call. But inside, I had little fear that it might hurt my DM's ego again. Because 10 years back we separated on similar issue for not taking his call and giving him priority over everything and anything else. My DM used to be a attention seeker and very demanding person. But to my surprise, my DM said, "No problem, call me back." When I called off my boss's call, I called up my DM twice, but again he didn't take my call. But I stayed positive and I remained in balance. No overthinking, no hurt. To my surprise, I saw my cell ringing and it was my DM. We talked openly and freely after that. He talked to me as we used to talk 10 years back, nicely and in a very friendly manner. We had a long talk with each other on career, work situation, personal things, etc. He wasn't feeling too well. He was having cold and cough. He had taken medicine, so he was feeling drowsy. I came in union with my DM in April this year, and in my personal sessions with Ma'am, she had guided me to go slow with my talking with my DM, not to show much intensity to him and talk to him frequently because he will run away again. So I remained patient. Ma'am guided me to talk to my DM on my birthday, so I did. Ma'am is very accurate, intuitive reader. She had predicted that time DM will talk to me very positively on my birthday. She had guided me to take his blessings and wishes, so I did. I asked for his blessings and wishes. He gave me lots of his blessings. He said he will meet me whenever he'll happen to be in Delhi NCR. He enjoyed talking to me. He said he will call me again soon. Even when you are reunited with your DM, don't chase your DM. When you will not chase, things will work positively for you. Some of my learnings from my experience on my birthday are: number one, God keeps testing you how balanced you are by giving you triggers. For example, my DM was not taking my calls, and number two, my DM called me up when I was on another important call with my boss. So universe put me in dilemma whom to give priority. Number two, take this journey slowly. Be patient, understanding, non judgmental, and overthinker. I noticed considerable change in my DM's behavior. He used to be very demanding and an attention seeker 10 years back, but now he has become more understanding and patient. Also, I could feel he too wished to communicate with me now. He had so much to share with me. He himself said he enjoyed talking to me and will call me again and ask me to stay in touch. And lastly, be neutral, don't show intensity. As ma'am says, we are connected with our DM through a silver cord, and when we do our chakras, the blockages and negativity gets removed and a positive energy flows between you and your DM. When we DFs transform, our DM automatically changes. Their energy changes. Twin Flame Journey is a reality and a fact. It's not fiction or imaginary. I'm happy I'm in this journey and I stay committed to my twin flame journey. And Angel Ma'am's guidance and her each and every word is true. She is very accurate with her energy readings. I'm glad Ma'am is my mentor for my entire life now. I have read a few comments saying it's not possible to take Ma'am's personalized sessions. My suggestion is, in case you cannot afford her guided sessions, do listen to her videos carefully and follow her guidance without any doubts, confusion, and impulsiveness. And please don't depend on astrology and tarot predictions. We are divine souls and our energies are at a much higher level than these. We are directly connected to divine. So please be directly connected to Almighty. Pray, stay peaceful. And I would like to conclude by giving a big thank you to everyone for your blessings, much love, and good wishes to me. It's a pleasure to be part of this whole family. Thank you, Divine. Thank you, Universe. Thank you, Angel Ma'am. Love you all and blessings to everyone. और अंत में मैं एक चीज़ कहना चाहूँगी कि जो एंजल मैम हैं वो वो दिल से हम लोगों के लिए प्रे करती हैं और दिल से हम लोगों के साथ हैं। और जितनी खुशी उनको मिलती है जब हमारा रीयूनियन होता है, जब हम अपने ट्विन फ्लेम के साथ होते हैं, उतना शायद ही किसी को होगा। हमसे भी ज़्यादा खुशी उनको मिलती है। और जो लोग अभी थोड़े कंफ्यूज्ड हैं तो मैम को उनके लिए भी दुख होता है, बट शी इज़ प्रेइंग फॉर देम एज वेल. सो don't lose hope, don't give up, and just continue. Ma'am is showing us a very, very, very beautiful path, and we are blessed to be in twin flame journey, and we should respect divine for giving us this journey and just love this journey and never cry, never be disheartened, and yeah, so that's it. हाँ, और मैम के जो हस्बैंड हैं और जो डॉटर हैं, उनको भी बहुत बहुत ढेर सारी ब्लेसिंग्स, और अ बिग थैंक यू टू देम, बिकॉज़ जब मैम और सर टुगेदर होते हैं तो वो एक डिफरेंट, एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल एनर्जी फ्लो करते हैं. तो मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है उनको एक साथ देख के, and it gives lot of positivity and good feeling, and also it's very inspiring to see sir and her daughter, you know, to be part of her videos, her her to be part of her videos, and you know, to sharing their experience and blessing ma'am and cooperating with ma'am, and so the entire family is with us, and so we are very lucky that we have ma'am, और मैम की फैमिली हमारे साथ है, और हमारे सामने साक्षात ट्विन फ्लेम्स हैं जो हमें गाइड कर रहे हैं. एंड ट्विन फ्लेम्स जो हैं वो एक रियलिटी हैं. आई बिलीव इन ट्विन फ्लेम्स नाउ, and it's a fact, it's not imaginary. So thank you all, love you all.